was hanging with you, and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised.
Hello guys, and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make an end screen for your YouTube videos on KineMaster. So if you want to learn how to do end screens on KineMaster, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and turn notifications to be notified each time I post a video. Let's get right into it. So you want to go ahead and open up YouTube, and you want to go ahead and search up animated backgrounds. As you can see in the screen, it might be a little cropped. Sorry about that. I'm still trying to learn how to edit on iPhones, but right now I'm trying my best to post videos. So then you're going to see a bunch of animated backgrounds, and you go ahead and choose the one you want. This is the animated background I want to use, so I'm going to go ahead and screen record it or download it. And once I am done doing that, I'm going to go ahead and go open up KineMaster. So once you're in KineMaster, you're going to go ahead and open a new project up. So it's going to take a while to load. Then you have to press landscape. And then you're going to go ahead and press video and then add the clip you screen recorded or downloaded. So you're going to go ahead and do that. So right now in this clip, I am trying to crop it out to the part of the video that I want to use. So you're going to go ahead and do that. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So we're just going to go ahead and crop it. So we're going to go ahead and fix it up. And if the clip is too short, it might get too short, or like try to make it as long. End screen should be a little long so like people can like just be there. So you're just gonna make them like a couple seconds long. And if it's not long enough, the clip you downloaded or screen recorded, you're gonna go ahead and duplicate it again and again, and it should look totally fine. And if it does not look fine, then you can just go ahead and fix it up. So right here I am typing "thank you for watching." So that's the main screen that will pop up when you go ahead and like, you know, add the end screen at the end of the video. Is going to pop up saying "thank you for watching." I think it's a little detail. Again, this is an optional to do, but I like doing it because I feel like it's a nice thing to like close out the video. So right now you're seeing me struggling to find good fonts, but again, this end screen might not look that good because I was too lazy to make it perfect and everything. But of course, you can go ahead and download fonts and do all of that. But yeah, so right here, I'm just go ahead, think about mistakes of my life. Okay, I'm just kidding. But right here, I'm just like looking for fonts because I don't know. Why not? So right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and wait. Thank you for watching. We're gonna crop it out until the point we want it, and we're gonna add an effect. This is the end effect, and the in effect I added as a pop, as you can see the screen. So you want to make it floating so it looks good. Again, I'm going to make it longer. So we're going to go ahead and make it longer. And now I see how the clip is too short for an end screen, so I'm going to go ahead and go to the three dots and duplicate it. So once it is duplicated, it's technically the same thing, but just doubled. So as you can see right there, me fixing things up. Then I'm going to go ahead to media and press photos. And then scroll down and go to backgrounds and press the white background or any color that would go with the background you have on your video. So we're going to go ahead and make that a decent shape. A shape that will fit like the little end screen, clickable like little video things. And if you guys want to learn how to do those clickable go watch my last video. I showed you guys how to, do clickable, little clickable end screens you can do in YouTube. So if you want to learn how to do that, go check out my channel and press the video. But for now, this is how to make the, end screen, so that would go perfectly with the end of the video. So I'm going to go ahead and double that up, make the shape, crop it out, and all of that. Gotta crop it out to the set. But this one, I'm going to make a subscribe button. So as a subscribe button, I'm going to go ahead and do it smaller, do it the decent size like the subscribe button would be. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So I'm just making it a decent shape. gonna go ahead and drag that to the side. And then once we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and preview it, make sure it's good. And we have to add the animations to it. Sorry about KineMaster being weird. KineMaster is just like that, so it might look weird once I'm like, editing it. But we gotta have like just like pop and like animations so they look cool. Even though they're not gonna show, I guess it's a cool detail. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm doing that to both of the little things. Then I'm gonna go ahead and crop them to the end because they're gonna end at the end. It's an end screen. So once we are done with that, we're gonna go ahead and see them pop up. As you can see, I'm trying to do. Then we're gonna go ahead and do text and do my last video thing for the clickable thing. So last video, I'm gonna go ahead and type that in. So I'm gonna go ahead and type that in. So the last video, I'm gonna go ahead and type that in. I'm gonna go ahead and put it to the top. And then we're gonna go ahead and go to the fonts. I don't know why, even though this is just a lazy end screen I'm doing for a tutorial. Again, it might not look like this, but it might look similar. You can change it up a bit, put the little shapes in different spots and all that. But this is just a basic tutorial. So then once you're done with that, you're gonna go ahead and duplicate the text and change the text to like subscribe, because that's the subscribe button. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. You're gonna go ahead and enter it and go and place it around the circle somewhere. I'm gonna go ahead and place it around somewhere in the circle. So I placed it there. I'm gonna change it soon, but I'm just gonna place it there for now. So then you can just add the animations and all that. So you're gonna go ahead and add the animation so it looks nice, and it will look like that. See, I don't like where I put the subscribe button, so I'm just gonna put it there, and I'm gonna go ahead and check that out. That looks pretty cool. So I'm just gonna deal with it lagging a little bit when I screen record. So then I'm gonna go to layers and add a text. So I'm gonna go ahead and add text. I'm gonna put "thank you for watching" at the bottom of the end screen, because it's literally empty there. But you can do whatever with the end screen. You can do anything, customize it your own way. But right here, I'm just showing you guys how to do it basically, so you can like do all that, different colors and all that jazz. So then we're just gonna do that, change it up, and this should be kind of your final result. So we're gonna go ahead and add animations, fix things up a little bit. And right here, I'm just fixing these things up. Popping it. Gonna do that. And then you see it right there. So then we're gonna go ahead and do that. So we're cropping it out. And this is the final result. It should look something like that. Once you're done with that, you can just export it. And pretty much that is it. So this is the final result. This is just a basic end screen. And yeah. So once you're done with that, if you want to export it, you're just going to press the button there. Again, this might be a little different for Android, but I'm pretty sure most people know how to export it. But KineMaster is pretty much the same on all devices. But if it is different, comment down below any questions. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you a lot out. And I hope I see you guys in the next one. Comment down below any video ideas and I'll be sure to do them. See you guys in the next one. Bye!
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen.